Good morning from the Wildflower Capital of Colorado. That's right, we're in Crested Butte. Let's go exploring. Good morning from Red Creek Road. We are near the Gunnison River and near the Blue Mesa Reservoir. We found some BLM land, which has just been absolutely phenomenal. We got shade, we have Wyatt, we have some gun casings, we have a fire pit, and we have our own creek. Wyatt has absolutely loved it because he's just basically been off leash. He's just been a free roam dog, and he has absolutely taken advantage of that. So this morning, the game plan is there's two towns that I want to check out, the town of Gunnison, and then I want to drive up to Crested Butte. I found a National Forest campground that's right in between the two of them, so it's first come, first serve. So we're going to go check that out this morning, see if we can find a spot for the weekend, and then kind of explore both towns. But for now, I just need some coffee, and I'm so hungry. So we're going to go into town and go explore the town of Gunnison for a little bit. Okay, we have made it to Almont, and I am just checking out this campground. Wyatt's interested. I don't see a lot of trees. Oh, I do see a river. That's the Gunnison River. All right, looks like there's only like 10 spots here, but I also found a lot of camping in Crested Butte. I don't know, man, I'm just being really conservative. That's a good looking site. That is literally on the river. That would make for good sleep. Site number 4. All right, remember site number 4. Okay, well, I did try that spot in Almont. It was nice, it was gorgeous, but it just didn't do it for me. So we just kept going, because really where I really want to explore is Crested Butte. So we are in South Crested Butte and found this absolute gem. 4 miles in, dirt road. I hear the river. King of the campground, bro. King of the campground. Let's see if little Wyatt approves. Hang on, buddy. We got a dog right next door. I'll put you on a leash. Come on. Straight for the river. He hears it. Well, this is where I'm going to be hanging out. Got a spot for a chair, the book. You going in? I don't know what river this is. I'll get back to you on that. This spot is $18 a night. I did pass by a few BLM spots for free, but I need water. And I think this campground has water, and I just feel more comfortable. Today is Thursday. I'm gonna keep it for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday as a base to go explore Crested Butte. I cannot wait to go explore Crested Butte. Never been. I'm so excited, so excited, so excited. Good morning from Crested Butte, Colorado. I am so excited to be here. I've wanted to come to this town or this area for the last 3-4 years. It just looks so beautiful. It's just, I'm usually traveling through Colorado like in March or April, so the passes are always not open yet. and it's always just kind of too cold. So we made it here yesterday. We're in South Crested Butte. This is the Cement Creek that you can hear in the background. So we're maybe 12 miles from the town of Crested Butte, just a little bit southeast, I guess, southeast. Wyatt's excited. I'm excited for our day. We've got hikes planned for this morning. And then sometime this afternoon, I want to go into town. I want to get some food. I've had a lot of recommendations from you guys and my Instagram friends on where to go, where to eat, where to hike. And I'm just going to go do all those things. This is day one. Day one of, I don't know, 7 to 10. I'm going to be here for a while. The weather, look, jacket, got a fleece on. Fleeced out today. All right, let's go. Okay, first impressions of driving into Crested Butte. It's so pretty. And I want to stop by the town so much and get some coffee and walk around. But that's for later. That's for later. First of all, we've got to do some hikes. Got to work up an appetite, which I'm already hungry. I skipped breakfast. I'm planning on having pizza later. That's kind of the game plan. There's a world famous pizza place here. And by world famous, like at least 3 Instagram friends told me I had to go there. Famous. All right, so we have to drive into the town and then go up through Mount Crested Butte. And we're going to a trail called Snodgrass. Snodgrass. It sounds very fancy. Snodgrass. I don't know why I expected this to be a little bit more remote. There's so many houses out here. There are so many houses. I mean, I expected to be in a pretty, not remote, but, you know, hiking area. But look at these signs. Look at those houses. This is a money town. I'll tell you that right now. This is a money town. This is like a Telluride or a Aspen or a Vail. This is one of those. So food's gonna be expensive. I'll tell you that. Food's gonna be expensive. Little buddy, we made it to the Snodgrass Trail. The Snodgrass is Snodgrass. Are you excited? Are you excited? Buddy, we gotta climb this. Come on. Good boy. Okay, we are officially on the Snodgrass Trail. I think it's 5.6 miles. It should be beautiful. All that. It's just weird to see so much signage, see so many people, see so many houses. This feels like no judging. It feels like a miniature Vail. I guess I should have known this is a ski town. I should have known what to expect. But it's just so nice. All right, let's go find some wildflowers. I'm not even a half mile in, but I can't stop stopping to take pictures of all these flowers. In typical Johnny fashion, I did not check to see what the elevation gain is, because essentially, this trail climbs up a mountain. Snodgrass Mountain. There's just so many wildflowers. There's too many. There's so many wildflowers. We have found some shelter. Look at this. This is neat. Got a sunroof. Buddy, you want some water? You need some grass? Hey, ready? Okay. Loving this trail. Loving this town so far. It is Vail Jr. though. I think I overpacked for this trail. There's so much water. It's only like 5 miles. But it's early still. It's gonna get hot. And one thing that just won't come across in this video is what it smells like here. It's just, with all these flowers, it just smells like flowers with a hint of nutmeg and cinnamon. It's good. It makes me want some granola. That was awesome. What an absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trail. Moving on to the Gothic area, which I was told I had to go see a waterfall. And I want to go check out some BLM camping too while I'm there. Yo, buddy, you know how to get out. Oh, buddy, you did such a good job. You did such a good job on the trail. All right, let's keep exploring. Buddy, we made it to the parking lot of Judd Falls. Are you excited? You want to go on another hike? Do you want to go on another hike? I have to say, the drive in here through the town of Gothic, and I think this is called Gothic Road. This is the Gothic area. Can I say Gothic enough times? It was just absolutely stunning. It's rough dirt road. Wasn't too bad. No need for four-wheel drive. I mean, highways in Pennsylvania are worse. All right, so we got a 2-mile hike up to Judd Creek Falls is the game plan. Or maybe it's just called Judd Falls? Judd Creek? Whatever. Let's go figure it out. This is a very crowded trail. No surprise, it's a waterfall. It's a waterfall trail. It's like it's only 2 miles, and it's going to be uphill for, well, half of the way, and then downhill for the other half. But the views, man. He just loves streams and creeks. Come on, dude. So this whole area in Gothic Road or whatever, scientists live here and work here. They have a community called Rumble, which is the Rocky Mountain Biological Laboratory? League? I forget what the L is for. But you see all this kind of stuff out here. So they're basically just checking plants, climates, over series and periods of time, which is cool. Love science. And there's a cooler over there. I bet there's a beer in there. But look how pretty this is. What can I say, man? It's pretty here. All you people that recommended Crested Butte, you are not wrong. I have just learned, thanks to this sign, that that mountain that I've been staring at is actually called Gothic Mountain. And it is a laccolith type mountain. 30 million years old. Sounds about right. Well, I hear it. We've made it to the overlook. Oh, I see it. It's down there somewhere. All right, we have dangerous cliffs. Excellent. Just what I want with little Wyatt. I'm gonna tie him to that fence right there. So I can't have him near cliffs. He can bark all he wants. But we have cliffs like this. Dangerous cliffs. Oh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. Judd Apatow Falls. No, it's not that, just the first part. So I would say it's a bit anticlimactic. I'm 400 feet above it and 400 feet away from it. So you really can't get close to it. It's okay. The hike was really pretty. It's worth it for the hike. Let's do that. It's worth it for the hike. I think it's only supposed to be 2.5 miles, but it's really pretty. It's just views of this. So worth it for the hike. So that waterfall was cool and all, beautiful hike, but there's another waterfall that's way up there that has no name. I'm gonna fly the drone, and if I can get cool pictures of it, I'm gonna call it Wyatt Waterfall. Or Wyatt Falls, yeah, Wyatt Falls. Guys, I'm hungry. I have to eat. We're going downtown. So we have just arrived in town in Crested Butte. Went to the visitor center, as I always do when I'm in a new place. Had to get a sticker, and you know what? Stickers are on back order. Bad start, Crested Butte. All right, let's go see if we can find some pizza. So we have made it to the place where everybody tells me I have to go. I'm so excited. It's crowded. That's not bad for starters. Awesome. Thank you so much. So it's a layer of ricotta, and then a layer of mozzarella. We've got artichoke hearts. We've got bacon, some green stuff, sesame seeds. I can't wait. All right, buddy. Come on. Okay, secret stash 100% lived up to the hype. Pizza was delicious, service was outstanding, ambiance was awesome. He got to hang out. They have a whole huge patio outside, dogs everywhere, just dogs. It was great. And I ate a half a pizza, plus that mozzarella appetizer salad. I'm fat. I'm happy. I'm fat. But we earned that today, right, Wyatt? So now, I don't know, it's like 3:30. I want to head back to camp because I'm tired. But there's one more brewery. I didn't see any reviews, so it must be new. So we're going to go check that out. Hey, Wyatt, do you want to go hang out and have a beer? I'm just kidding, not till you're 3. Is he allowed out here? In here too? Oh, awesome.
This is one of those adventures that got away from me. This area can do that to you. And as the adventures piled up, 1 week turned into 3, and I'm just scratching the surface of why everyone recommended Crested Butte to me. It's more than the wildflowers, the mountains, the crisp air, the unpretentious locals. It is every beautiful postcard, every intoxicating smell of nature, every jaw-dropping hike all rolled up into one unforgettable adventure. I don't yet know how many episodes I've recorded here, but I do know I had to go buy more memory cards, because the amount of memories I've accumulated here in just a few short weeks might just be enough for a lifetime. Until next time, chase your dreams, be kind always, and keep exploring life with an open mind.